welcome back today with the Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, today we just make a nice lovely big batch, you know what I mean, or you can make a big batch of detoxing for summer detox water, and with lemon and ginger and cinnamon. That's good for you. A lot of people not drinking enough water at home. This is another way, or you can drink water and detox your body, clean out the system, and make you a brand new person. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And remember, we got a lot more recipe coming out, different recipe, different stuff, different ideas, and ways how to do things at home and how to save money. More recipe coming up soon. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So basically this summer, we have to detox our body and lose weight, be healthy, keep yourself natural. Right here, I got a big tub of water, as you can see. I got some lemon, cinnamon. But what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to do this one. So first of all, because this is new to the fans them. Alright, I might do video before like this similar. Let's put the lemon over here. Get the piece of a ginger and remove the skin. Let's use a smaller knife, please, guys. Don't use a big knife like what Chef Ricardo been doing. We're gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Basically, this one is just for you to be healthy and lose weight and detox your body this summer. So basically, we're gonna use this part of the grater to grate my ginger. All right. You can blend it if you like, but look at Chef Ricardo been doing. Because I'm making a big portion and put it straight in my fridge. Every morning I get a big cup from it. That's the best way of doing it, is to make a big portion and put it in the fridge. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave this water for 24 hours before you can start to drink it. Don't start drinking it now. Leave it for 24 hours and start to drink it. Then we're gonna put a glass of water, wash off this, just like this. Lovely and nice. As you can see, let that simmer in the water for about 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, what I'm gonna do in the meantime is put this at the side, lemon already grated, get some lime, and I'll start to slice some lemon like this. Honestly, guys, lime, ginger, cinnamon, you need to know the benefit of these things, guys. So basically, first thing, I'm gonna put some cinnamon in the water like this. Not too much cinnamon. Give it a nice, lovely stir. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just keep it natural. I'm not gonna put any honey inside of it. Roughly about 5 minutes now since my ginger been. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it like this. Get all of the flavor from the ginger. Squeeze it in the water like this. Get out all of the flavor from the ginger. Nice one. Get all of my lemon straight in the water like this. I believe I can put another one in it. Cinnamon is just for option, guys. As you can see, nice and lovely. So basically, that's exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. Give it a nice lovely stir. Give it a taste. That's nice. I can taste the cinnamon. Beautiful. I got a piece of lemon and lime right here. I'm gonna slice it up. Put it also inside of it. And basically, this do help you to detox your body, and also do help for you to drink more water, because a lot of people doesn't drink water, and a lot of people want to drink water, but you know what I mean, they want to find different ways how they can drink water at home. Basically, this one do help you to detox your body also. So what you're gonna do, go ahead and try and find a space in your fridge and put it in your fridge. Leave it for 24 hours. This can last you for up to 3 to 4 days for you to drink first thing in the morning and also in the evening before you go to bed. That's the way you're gonna be working. If you want to lose weight and be healthy and drink and detox your body this summer, because you know the weather is really hot, this is where it come in really handy. or you can detox your body at home. So enjoy Chef Ricardo recipe and subscribe to the channel, and that is the way how it go for this summer. Detox your body is very important, which a lot of people don't not doing at the moment. And as I said, cinnamon, lemon or lime. Some people might put a little bit of honey if you want to put some honey inside of it, you know what I mean, for flavor, but I would leave it natural like this for 24 hours. Next morning, start to drink it. Enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.